Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this cool toned, smoky, vampy look. I really love the way that this turned out. I feel like it's dramatic but still very much approachable and easy. And we are using the Natasha Denona Glam palette. If you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so today we are going to be playing with the Natasha Denona Glam palette. This is what she looks like. And I am going to start off by taking Blend, which is this shade here. You're going to see these. I'm just going to have to show you the color because with this palette, you have a lot of blends. You have a lot of different colors and none of them really have names, so I'm just going to have to show you guys. But I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to run this color in the crease. And as you guys can see, I'm just rocking it back and forth. I think I know what kind of look we're going for. And I'm just taking the front part slightly high into the front of the brow. Man, Natasha Denona does it every single time. This color, I should say, is just blending out like a dream. I'm going to take the color Smoke, which is this color here, and I am going to use a blending brush, but this is a slightly stiffer brush. This is a Smith 247, and I'm just going to take this color and push it into the outer corner. I got a little bit of fallout, no biggie. And I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend this color into the crease. I'm not going to take this shade, just so you guys see, it's this shade, which is just a beautiful silvery shade, and I am going to start off by placing it in the center of the eyelid, which is what it says it's for, but I'm thinking I'm going to use this just as, ooh, look at that. Every time I go, ooh, I think about Mufasa. Ooh, Mufasa. Ooh. It's a Lion King reference. Yeah, that's super pretty. But I think I'm going to use this shade, which is right next to that color. This is called Inner Corner. And I'm just going to place that right in the inner corner. I just want to see how this would look. And then I'm blending the center lid color right into that inner corner shade because I want it to look more silvery, more gray than I do white. That was a platinum silver. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So I'm going to take Smoke again and I'm going to pat. Ooh. Ooh. Did anyone else think Mufasa? Yeah, this is really pretty. Take my blending color or brush and just blend. I had to pull my hair up. It's getting a little warm. So I'm going to go ahead and take that center lid again. And I'm just going to pop that right in the center of the eye. And then bring it towards the inner corner shade. So I have a little confession, guys. I have on press-on nails. They're really pretty, but my nails haven't been growing, man. It's normally like I go through this phase where they look really nice and then they end up breaking and then they grow back pretty quickly. It's a process. It really is. Like, they break, they grow back. It's a constant like back and forth, but they are just not growing back. They keep breaking. and I don't like looking at my nails when they're short and broken and ugly, because then I start chewing them. I know, bad habit. So I have to always have something on my nails, and I don't like to paint them when they're short because it just attracts attention to how bad they look, and they're bad, like bad. I ended up buying some press-on nails, and I put them on this morning. I had meetings this morning, so I didn't want my nails to look jacked because I had to actually like point at stuff. I had a little presentation that I had to do, so I knew people would, you know, you think that people don't look at that stuff, they do. And I just don't like the way my hands look. So I got them at Target. They're Kiss, and I really like them. They're comfortable, they were easy to apply. These don't have the glue, they have the glue pads already on the nail, which that I'm not a huge fan of. I was hoping that that wasn't the case, but the ones I picked out, because I like to pick out the short ones whenever I do wear them, which honestly, it isn't often. I've worn fall fake nails whenever I've gone through this phase where they're breaking, but also when like I have a gig, or if I'm going to a wedding and my nails look just really bad, then I will do it. But I think I've only ever done it like a total of 4 times, and this is the 4th time, so I think I did a pretty good job. I love these. So sparkly, so sparkly. And my son actually picked them out. When I first put it on, I'm like, yeah, I don't know if I'm ready for gray, but I like them. All right, guys, so I've gone ahead and I have taken Immortal Gel Liner by Mel Cosmetics, and I have done a wing liner, and I'm just going to take a little bit more of my Charlotte Tilbury mascara and build my lashes up, because I do not wear false lashes unless I have to. I'm not someone that really enjoys them for daily use. I will just wear them for special occasions because they do irritate my eyes. And if you guys are wondering, I love this mascara. I have a confession, another one. Since I've been using this mascara, I haven't been using my lash primer, my Dior lash primer. This mascara really does push your lashes up, and it keeps a curl. So if you're someone that struggles with that, you are definitely going to like this mascara. It is a little bit of a learning curve to get used to it, but once you get it, oh, you're gonna love it. Alrighty, guys, so I'm looking at this and I feel like I need to deepen the outer corner just a bit. I feel like it needs more of a pop. So I am going to take Lash Line. Yeah, Lash Line, which is this dark brown shade. And I'm going to use it with the same Smith brush that I used. And I'm just going to pack this on the outer corner, because I'm not looking to really smoke this out a ton, but I am looking just to add a little bit of a pop. Oh, my hair. I have all these little baby hairs. But listen, I will take it because I am someone that would love to have thick hair. And I know if you have thick hair, you're like, no, you don't wish that. But I do. I have baby fine hair. Guys, I love the way that this looks. So pretty. All right, buttercups. So I am now going to take that same lash line shade and then use it on the lash line. Wow. Did you guys see that? It was like, I just used a gel liner. And I'm going to smudge this out. I'm going to take that center eye, which is the first silvery shade that we use, and I'm going to take that and bring it back into the mid eye. So I'm not really taking it in, oops, all the way, but I am going to just pop that there, and then I'm going to take inner corner and then use that for the inner corner. So the shades I use up top, I use at the bottom. All right, guys, so I'm going to take my Laguna bronzer, and this is what it looks like. It is feet up. And I'm going to just bronze my complexion. For my blush, I'm going to be using this Becca highlighter. I believe this is called Coppering. And I am just going to apply this as my blush. I used to love to use this. This would be my blush on a lot of different looks. I love this. I'm going to set my skin with the Fenty Dewdrops. I'm going to let that dry and then we'll come back to finish this look. And I'm back. I love this. I ended up using a Rouge Dior liquid lip, and this is in the shade 862. As you guys can see, she's vampy. I love the way that this look turned out. It's super vampy and fall, but you can definitely use this to like a party, because you guys know we're partying a lot right now. Please let me know down below if you'd like to see more looks using the Natasha Denona Glam palette, or if you guys have any requests for upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I am still trying to keep my 3 videos a week. Don't want you guys to miss any of those videos. Also, be sure to leave a comment and like this video, as it does help my channel. Thank you guys so much for your support. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.